Hi everybody, Chuck with Miedema Auctioneering here with Dan Barber, Barber Farms. Going to talk about the Kuhn Krause Excelerator 8000 that they were using. It's a 2015 model year. When did you get this unit, Dan?
It's about 2017, I think, is when we got it. Yep.
Okay.
It was down in South Haven. There was a farmer that retired, and he used it on 600 acres, and that was it. Yep.
And then how many acres do you do a year with it roughly?
We pretty much do the whole farm because we chop corn stalks with it because we can fly with this thing. You know,
Okay.
go 9 miles an hour and get
wow.
over everything really fast, and it really helps to level the ground.
Okay.
You know, for harvesting. Yep.
Nice.
Yep.
Well, folks, we're out here at Barber Farms December 9th. Be your opportunity to bid on this piece. Come on out and see us or bid online. Thank you.